The history of the Yonaguni Monument, Japan, an in-depth analysis. Introduction. The Yonaguni Monument, a fascinating underwater structure near Yonaguni Island, Japan, has been a subject of intense debate among historians, geologists, and archaeologists for decades. While some believe it to be a natural formation, others argue that it is evidence of a lost civilization. This article delves into the monument's history, exploring its discovery, geological studies, theories about its origins, and its potential significance in human history. Discovery of the Yonaguni Monument. In 1986, a Japanese diver and researcher named Kahataro Aratake stumbled upon a peculiar underwater structure while exploring the waters off the coast of Yonaguni, a small island in the Ryukyu archipelago. At a depth of around 25 meters, Aratake noticed large stone formations with sharp edges, flat terraces, stair-like features, and geometric patterns. The discovery sparked widespread interest and led to further underwater explorations. The site, sometimes called Japan's Atlantis, quickly gained international attention as researchers sought to determine whether it was a natural geological formation or the remains of an ancient civilization. Geological analysis and theories. Geologists have extensively studied the Yonaguni Monument, with contrasting views on its origins. Here are the dominant theories. 1. Natural formation hypothesis. Some experts, particularly Japanese geologists like Masaaki Kimura, argue that the monument is a natural rock formation shaped by underwater currents and tectonic activity. The structure is composed of sandstone, which is known to fracture into geometric shapes due to natural processes like erosion, seismic activity, and weathering. Evidence supporting this theory includes the presence of similar rock formations in the area, natural fault lines aligning with the Yonaguni structure, geological strata suggesting tectonic shifts over thousands of years. However, critics of this theory argue that the monument's features, such as its sharp angles, stair-like structures, and distinct platforms, appear too precise to be entirely natural. 2. Man-made structure hypothesis. Another theory suggests that the Yonaguni Monument was an ancient human-made structure, possibly the remnants of a lost civilization that existed before being submerged by rising sea levels. Supporters of this hypothesis, including Professor Masaaki Kimura, claim that the monument bears striking similarities to known ancient structures and cities. Evidence supporting this theory includes the presence of what appear to be carved steps, terraces, and pathways, alleged symbols and inscriptions found on some rocks, theoretical alignments with celestial bodies, suggesting possible astronomical use, the possibility of an ancient city connected to the monument. If the structure is indeed man-made, it would suggest an advanced civilization existing around 10,000 years ago, potentially predating the oldest known Japanese settlements. 3. Hybrid theory. Natural formation with human modification. A more balanced perspective combines both natural and human influence factors. According to this theory, the Yonaguni Monument is primarily a natural rock formation that was later modified by ancient humans for unknown purposes. This explanation accounts for both the geological characteristics and the architectural-like features observed at the site. Cultural and historical significance. If the Yonaguni Monument is proven to be human-made or modified, its historical implications would be profound. It could indicate that an advanced civilization once thrived in Japan's Ryukyu Islands long before recorded history. This could rewrite the history of early human settlement in East Asia. Potential historical connections include the Jaman culture, 14,000 to 300 BCE. Some researchers speculate that the monument may be linked to the Jaman people, who inhabited Japan thousands of years ago. Mythological connections. Japanese legends speak of submerged kingdoms and lost lands, such as the mythical Ryugu-jo, the undersea palace of the dragon god, which some believe may be inspired by real submerged ruins. However, mainstream archaeology has not yet accepted the notion of an advanced civilization existing in Japan as early as 10,000 years ago. Until more definitive evidence is discovered, the true nature of the Yonaguni Monument remains speculative. Conclusion: the Yonaguni Monument remains one of the most enigmatic underwater structures in the world. Whether it is a natural geological wonder, an ancient human-made structure, or a combination of both, its discovery has sparked global intrigue. Future research, including advanced underwater mapping, carbon dating, and geological studies, may eventually provide a clearer answer. For now, the mystery of the Yonaguni Monument endures, inviting explorers, historians, and enthusiasts to ponder its origins and significance in human history.